Alright, so now we're going to go over Unit 1, Lesson 3, Distributive Properties. So the first thing, if we have the question, and then we're told that y is equal to 3, so then we can substitute 3 in for y. So then if we work through this, so by this both equaling 48, we know that 3 does work there correctly. Okay, so now the next one here, if we are told that we have the expression 8 times 54, and we want to know how we can rewrite that using distributive property. So basically we are going to break this apart. So we're going to go 8 in the 50, and then 8 in the 4. So we're going to end up with 8 times 50 plus 8 times 4. Or another way you can do this as well is go 8 times 60 minus 8 times 6. So if we work out both of those, and we have 8 times 50, so we give us 400 plus 32. So now if we come down here, we can go 8 times 60 and subtract the 8 times 6. And they both give you 432. So then if we go back up to the main one and we go 8 times 54, you see that it also equals that 432. So they all are going to equal the same. It just depends on how you write them. And sometimes by breaking it apart, it's easier to figure them out. So that's part of the distributive property. So let's look ahead at another one here. Alright, so we're given this and we're asked to simplify it. So basically that is combined like terms. So here we have 3u and 4u. So we can combine those two together. So that's going to give us 7u. And then we have 7v minus 2v. So it's going to give us 5v. So now let's look at an example here. We have 2y to the third minus 4y squared plus y to the third. And we're asked which ones are like terms. So what you have to look at is which ones have the same exponents on it. So here we have a y to the third. We also have y to the third here. So those are alike. However, you notice we don't have any other ones that have a 2 as the exponent. We don't have any of them that have a 1 as an exponent. So the 2y to the third and this y to the third are the only like terms in this one. So let's look at another one here. If we have 5y to the third plus 3y squared minus y plus y to the third. So once again, only the 3's are alike. So if we have this example down here, so the 2x to the third plus 2x squared minus plus 13x squared minus 3. So the only ones here that have the same exponents on the variable is going to be the squares. So those would be the like terms in this one. Alright, so let's look through another simplifying one. So I have 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus x plus 3x cubed. So the first one we're going to do is identify the like terms. So we have 4x cubed and 3x cubed. So we can just add those together and get 7x cubed. Now we don't have anything else with the square, so that one we left alone. We don't have any other ones with an x or just the 1. So we can leave that one by itself. So this here would be our final answer on this one. Alright, if you have any other questions about the Unit 1 Lesson 3, please let your homeroom teacher know so we can help you out. Thank you so much.